Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to make an origami jumping frog. My name is Nikitha T and I've always enjoyed learning how to do different crafts with origami. I hope you enjoy this as much as I do. All you're going to need is some paper, you can do some patterns, or really any color that you'd like, as well as a black pen to draw on eyes for the frog. Alright. So let's get started. We'll make a frog out of this. So now that we've picked our paper, the first thing we need to do is fold it exactly in half. So we would want to line up the edges first, and then once they're aligned, I'm going to crease it. Make sure to run your nail along the edge so that you have a nice clean fold. And then we're going to fold it in half again, like so. And now you have a square, and then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to fold it up again so you have this little rectangle. Now that we've done all that, we've made all the creases in the right places, so then we can unfold it to this point, and then what we need to do is fold this down to the middle crease right here. So you want it to look like that. And you want this to be pretty accurate, like so. That's one crease, and then we'll do the same on the other side. Now that we made the right creases, what we're going to do is we're going to take these two inside parts, these two little horizontal creases, and we're going to push them inside. That will make the top part like curved out. And now all you have to do is you got to take your fingers out from under and press down. You should be left with a little triangle on top. Okay, and then we fold this bottom part up. Alright, and so now we're going to take this outer edge and fold it inside this little crease right here. So make sure you don't use any of the paper involved with this triangle up here. Now we're going to make a crease right here. And then when you fold the triangle down, you shouldn't be able to see the crease you made right over here. We're going to do the same on the other side, just like so. Now we have a little arrow looking thing. And then we're going to fold this last bit up like this. We're going to fold these corners down like such. I'm going to take the other corner. And then I'm going to need to pull out the corners, pull these out, so it's going to look like this. And then the next thing we're going to do is take these and fold down like so. And then we're going to take this little crease and fold it up like that to make a little foot. We're going to do the same on the other side. Like so. And then we're going to fold these up like this. And then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to take this and fold it almost as, take this top edge and fold it a little bit over. This part's going to be a little bit harder. There's a lot of paper packed into this. But you want to try and crease it in a straight line like this. So that's what it looks like here on the back side. And now we can draw some eyes on our little frog. And then we can play with him. And he can join his little froggy friends. So if you want him to jump a little bit higher, just gotta make sure that's still up, and then you can make him jump a little bit farther. Like so. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this. My name is Nikitha T, and today we learned how to make little jumping frogs with origami. Have a great day!